Bago pala.
And of course, yun nga, that's why it's so fun. Because we don't
Ang ganda ng hair niya.
pati really trying to saglit pa lang naman po kami going out. So, hindi pa namin talaga nakita lahat of each other. And of course, yun nga, sabi ko, pinipili mo yung tao lang naman. And we'll see, of course, we'll see where it goes. Pero kung ikaw papili,
Gusto mo na, ito na ba?
29 na kasi ako.
Oo nga, yun.
Alam mo yun, and I'm not really on earth, play around. Parang kahit sa career ko po, gusto ko medyo, aligamay ko na, alam ko na yung kailangan ko, medyo focus na ako dapat ano. So, sana po, I hope it turns out for the best. Really, because so far I've been having the best time. And I really feel it. Babae.
Yeah.
Bumababa
Oo
tayo.
nga. With curl.
Sobrang mahalaga. As in,
Ayan na.
Disney princess.
Ay, wow.
Ganda. And sabi ko, parang wala naman akong kwenta dito sa mahal ko. Parang ikaw lang yung nagbibigay.